Rahul Rajshekharan. I'm the first runner-up for Mr. India 2015, and I'm also an actor, model based out of Bangalore and Mumbai. So if you want to know more about me, just stay tuned and watch this video. I'm going to be sharing about it.
My first question will be, please tell us about your journey from a young boy to the symbol of high fashion.
As a young boy, I was always a kid who loved sports, and when I grew up also it was nothing really changed. But I think after I got into fitness, after I started working out, I slowly got into the modeling industry, and slowly things changed from just being into sports and also fitness being a part of my profession. So I think that's what has changed, when it comes to being a boy and, after I grew up being part of the industry. I think that's what it is.
So my another question will be that most of the time I see that you have been marked as a very designing men in Bangalore times.
Correct,
So
yeah.
how it's happening again and again?
I mean, I don't know because I've been nominated for the last 2 years, and I think it's based on votes. People have voted for me, and I'm really honored, and I thank everyone for the votes. So I think it's the love and support of all the people that has got me here for 2 years in a row. So I think it's an honor.
So when it comes to love, I wanted to ask, always it is your relationship status will be single. So why?
Well, I haven't found anyone, so that's what it is.
So what you are looking at your girl?
Well, then I'm still working on exactly what I'm looking for.
You have to tell what quality.
Oh, I have to tell it now? Okay. Well,
Probably but most of the ladies might be watching this segment.
well, she has to be simple, fun-loving, humorous, disciplined, and a good human being. I think that's about it. Yeah. So very simple, very basic. I'm sure most of the women, or most of the people in the world are that. It's just that I'm not able to find the right ones.
So next year or coming month, if we see the desirable men, so we'll see the relationship status as single or
Oh, why next month? It could be next week as well. It could be tomorrow, so you never know.
yeah, we don't know what happens.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I wanted to ask you another question. That will be, you are the role model for many. Who do you consider as your icon and role model?
I've been a role model for many. That's news to me actually. I would consider David Gandhi as my icon, and probably among the Indian models or the supermodels or the actors, I think John Abraham, Arjun Rampal and Milind Soman. These are the three. I mean, these are the guys role models for most of the people. But the way these men have established themselves in the industry and also helping a large number of people in terms of fitness or be, Greenpeace initiative that they do, I think it's amazing, and they are definitely my role models.
So another questions will be, as a fashion icon at such a young age, do you feel any burden on you? You are a fashion icon in Bangalore,
Okay.
Mumbai as well. So do you feel any burden on you?
Well, I wouldn't consider it a burden. I mean, it's a lovely thing to be a fashion icon among the younger people in the industry, or be it anyone. It's just that it keeps me going every day, and it's something to look forward to. I gotta keep the momentum going. So I don't consider it as a burden, but then it's more like motivating for myself to keep doing better every day. Because the better I do for myself, it's going to be better for me and also for the people who follow me. So I think that's what it is.
So guys, here is a cheers to our location partners from Rahul